Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fix the scanner not detected issue in Windows 11 when using Windows Fax and Scan. Sometimes Windows Fax and Scan can find your connected scanner due to driver problems, connection issues, or service settings. The good news is there are simple steps to get your scanner working again. Let's get started. Step 1, open and check Windows Image Acquisition Service. Open the search menu and type Services. Click on the best match to open services. Scroll down and find Windows Image Acquisition, WIA. Double-click on it to open its properties. Make sure the startup type is set to automatic. If the service status is stopped, click Start, then click Apply and OK. Step 2, Run Command Prompt and Troubleshooter. Open the search menu, type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator. If a user account control prompt appears, click Yes. Copy the command provided. This will open the Hardware and Devices Troubleshooter. Click Advanced, check Apply Repairs automatically, then click Next. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the troubleshooting. Once done, restart your computer and check your scanner again. That's it. Now you know how to fix a scanner not working or not connecting on Windows. Good luck.